buhay, daming bagay na hindi ko na alam. Magawa ako ng highlights again, mga palangga. So, pag mag-highlights ka pa pala agad-agad, 1 minute lang siya. So, pag makaabot ka na pala ng 1 minute, maka 5 minutes. Hello, Sis Pearl! Sis Pearl, maayong buntag. Kumusta naman ka? Salamat, salamat. Shout out again, mga palangga. Shout out. Good morning, good morning. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Migalab. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan, Pearl DM. Thank you. For the first viewer. wala akong pang prize. My first viewer, Sis Pearl DM. Ayan, mga palangga. Very supportive talaga tong si Pearl DM. Kaya, wag nyo talagang papalampasin ang pag-connect sa kanya. Ayan, shout out to my KTS family, KTS admins. Thank you everyone. Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan na. Thank you. Kape tayo, Sis Pearl. Sarap-sarap ng kapikoy. Sarap-sarap ng kapikoy. Kumain ka na ba, Sis Pearl? Maayong buntag. Hello, Chi. 20CH. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. 20CH. Thank you for coming. Thank you 20CH. I know you have a new upload. So you can drop it here. I saw it, your new upload. I saw it already. Ayan, Chi. Bago mo ba to, Chi? Ipipin ko si Chi. Ayan. New upload. Ayan, mga palangga. Just to connect everyone. Thank you. Ayan, si 20CH. Nagawa na ako ng